No.
It's better to love than to give into hate.
Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Levon Tanisha. This is my sister Kimberly. Today is her birthday and she requested that I put a little makeup on her because she doesn't wear any makeup. So come along, continue to watch the video, watch this birthday beat that I'm going to do for my sissy. Want to say anything? Hi. Hi. So first I'm going to brush up her eyebrows. I'm just doing this to prepare for the sculpting of her brow. I'm just going to tweeze a few hairs that I saw. Just pluck those out. Now I'm going in with my eyebrow pencil from MAC. This is in Deep Brunette. And I'm just going to lightly fill in her brows. Concentrating in the middle, bringing it towards the end. Brushing them up in place again. Now I'm going in with a concealer to sculpt out her eyebrows to give that clean eyebrow look. I'm using small strokes to fill in her brow, her underscore of her brow. Next, I'm going to do the overscore of her brow to also give it a clean look up top. Now I'm applying the P. Louise eyeshadow primer, and I'm blending that out all the way up into her brow bone. Next, I'm taking the Makeup by Mario Master Mattes palette, and I'm using a chocolate brown to give a brown smoky look, but I want to keep the look soft. So I am patting on the color. Just to make sure I have good coverage. Next, I'm taking a blending brush to blend out the edges, and I'm going to bring that all the way up into her crease. I'm using a MAC 224 brush. I'm taking a lighter shade of the matte palette, Master Mattes palette, and I'm blending that all the way up. And my sister singing. We had a good time. Next, I'm directing her to look down while I apply her mascara. This is before her lashes. Now I'm applying lashes. These are 805. These are by Kara Lashes, K-A-R-A lashes, number 805. She's trying to get used to the feel of the lashes. Next, I'm going to wipe up with a makeup wipe to get all of the fallout from the eyeshadow, just to start with a clean surface. And now my sister is eating. This is a moisturizer and a primer that I'm applying to her face. Next, I'm going in with NC45 by MAC. This is the Pro Longwear Foundation, and I'm using a stippling brush to apply it. I didn't like how that brush was giving coverage, so I moved over to a beauty blender. And I'm going to finish applying the foundation that way. She asked me if this is why they call beating a face, and I said yes, I'm going to beat you like you used to beat me. So now I'm doing a highlight underneath of her eye as a color corrector, just to brighten up her eyes. This is an Anastasia palette, a cream palette. So I'm going to do under her eyes, the middle of her forehead, and her chin, and a little bit down the bridge of her nose. Next, I'm going in with a concealer to go over top of that in the color of NC42. Her foundation was NC45, so you want to go one shade lighter, 1 to 2 shades lighter. If you want a stronger highlight, I would suggest going about 3 shades lighter. Now I'm just taking the stippling brush and blending out the edges of the concealer and of the highlight, just to give it a smooth, even look. Next, I'm going in with a setting powder. This is Studio Fix NC45. I'm going to set the perimeter of her face with this foundation, powder foundation. Next, I'm going in to set the concealer. This is the Sasha Buttercup powder, setting powder. So now I'm contouring her jawline. This is Yacht Life by Mented Cosmetics. And I'm just going to take that around the perimeter of her face and her jawline and her cheekbones. I want to highlight her cheekbones. Now I'm going in with her blush. This is Format by MAC. This is just going to give it a bronzy look as well, not too much color. Next, I'm going in with a highlight. This is Global Glow by MAC. I'm going down the bridge of her nose. I did the tops of her cheeks. And a little bit of her Cupid's bow. Right now, I am lining her eyes with the Makeup by Mario eyeliner. I love this eyeliner, guys. It's so creamy, it's so smooth, it goes on so well. Next, I'm blending it out with the 219 by MAC brush. I'm just going to smoke out underneath of her eyes to complement her eyeshadow and on her lids. And I use brown as well, so it's a little bit softer. I'm lining her eyes with a liquid liner, doing small brush strokes. Next, I'm moisturizing her lips to prepare them for her lip liner and lipstick. Just a little blot to take the excess off. Now I'm lining her lips with Cork lip liner by MAC. I'm going to do a nude lip to complement this smoky eye. Next, I'm going in with a nude lipstick. This is a liquid lipstick. It's a Pro Longwear lipstick by MAC. I have to get the name for you guys. I'll put it down in the description. That lipstick is also a matte lipstick, so it's going to dry very fast. To put a little shine over top of that, I'm going to go with lip gloss that has a little glitter in it. I'm applying that now. And my sister's singing again, because this is what we do. Now I'm just going in with final touches. I'm taking the bronzer and I'm just going back. Right now I'm highlighting the inner corners of her eyes with a gold, just to give it that little pop, that little spark. Next I'm going to set it with a setting spray and just smooth it out. These are my final touches. Now Sissy's looking at the final look. So guys, this is the final look. This is her natural beat. How do you like it?
I love it. Very nice. And I'm not a makeup person.
She's not a makeup person.
It looks beautiful. I love it. Thank you.
You're welcome. So if you like this video, guys, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Okay, this is where I have to edit. So if you like this